Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you all some fun little things. I am so excited. I feel like I haven't been excited about a happy planner in a really long time, and this is just really, I don't even know how else to say it, but I'm just so stoked. I cannot wait to jump into this planner. I think I'm gonna actually start redating it, and I may even buy a duplicate of this. If you don't know, I was using a line vertical for all of last year until I ran out. I ran out of pages. I think it was around, I think it might have been like around September-ish, because as soon as I got the planner, I started using it. So I started running out of pages, and that was just kind of like what I get. But at the same time, I loved it, and it just worked out really, really well for me. Although it was like kind of sometimes a little time consuming to decorate. And I'll actually show you all my old planner to just give you all an example of how I used it. But yeah, I just want to share it with you all. I figured, like, I'm pretty sure y'all have already seen videos and flip throughs of these things, but I still want to share it with y'all because it is new for me. But let's start off with the happy notes. So we got 60 sheets, happy notes in mini discs. These are like a purple, kind of like lavender color, so cute. And I actually picked out this cover specifically because of the design of it. I think it's really, really cute, and I think I may even want to like use this during the summer. I don't know, we'll see. It just gives me like good energy because of the colors, because it's like bright, and I don't know, and plus it has the word happy. It just makes me happy looking at it. Obviously I have not removed this little clear seal. I did remove it from the planner because I was that excited about it. But even look at the inside, like how cute. You could definitely use this as the front of the cover. But then the dividers look like this. I kind of feel like this is a little faded. Like I feel like it's not how bright and colorful, like pigmented the colors are. This feels like it's not well printed, but at the same time, like, who knows, maybe that's the way it's supposed to be. But to me, like, I guess I'm just not, to my expectations, I would have assumed this would have been more vibrant, but it still looks really nice and really cute. I love this paper. Look at the little daisies on the spine. Like, how stinking cute. And I wanted note paper. I did like a huge purge of stuff. It was just time. I had a lot of stuff that was like outdated, that I had only like a couple sheets of, and actually gave a lot to my community in my neighborhood. And I was running pretty low on paper. So I figured I really like the cover. I could switch out with my planner cover and also use this note paper because it's so cute. But obviously it has like all the note paper, 60 sheets is what we said, and the back looks the same but without the little date section. So it'd be even really good for like journaling, school, if you have school, or even just like note taking for I don't know, like church or something. Doesn't really matter, but it's just really cute. And I love how inexpensive the journals are, like the happy notes are, compared to even buying like a sheet, like a pack of no paper. So yeah, but this is the other divider. Cute. So we just have the same paper again, and this is the third divider. This kind of like reminds me of like an orange, although there's not an orange there, but cute. I love all the daisies, and you can use this as like a front cover if you wanted to. At least I would. Like, I feel like the Planet Happy Life is not even that big, how sometimes, or how it used to be back in the day. So definitely, oh, look how cute that is. I love it. But let's go ahead and now look through the planner. I'm so excited about this, y'all. Like, let me fix this. You don't even know. First off, I'm also really obsessed with the discs. Like, I've had the discs that are like speckled gold or like pink or whatever, but these are clear discs. Like, for a while there, I feel like a lot of people were going pretty crazy about like the clear discs or the frosted discs because of how like simple and like minimal they were, and how like it didn't clash against, like you could just easily remove or change up your cover without even having to change out the discs. And I saw clear discs a lot before, and now seeing them with happy planners and the classic heart just makes my heart very, very happy. This obviously starts in July, and it is a 12-month. It's a line vertical. This is their new, like, you know, packaging, which I haven't had because I haven't gotten a new planner from Happy Planner. Although I don't know if y'all noticed this, but it says line vertical, and it has like the vertical layout with a bunch of lines. That is not what the line vertical is. That was, I'm sure, a mistake that was overseen, but is that how you say it? I don't even know. But we love the new packaging. I think it looks really cute. Originally, I was not very fond of the cover, and that's why I bought this cover. But now seeing it in person, I am in love with it. I think it's so cute. This is foiled, so it's like a purple foil color. So cute. White daisies, and it says for the love of learning, because it's supposed to be for a student. But I can easily cover that up. I can even put something over that. Like, really doesn't matter, or I can change it around. I also like the back of the cover. I always feel like I love the inside covers a lot. I don't know, it's just like me and how I am, and I like how like simple and minimal it is, and just like clean. I don't know, I love it so much. Like, imagine this being your cover. Like, how cute. Like, I don't know, it just makes me excited that I finally have a line vertical planner. But this is the Hello page, which I also love. I think it's so cute. And it says this big happy planner, but it's not a big, it's a classic, but whatever. I didn't plan on covering it up, but I guess it is what it is. That's just like a mistake that shouldn't have been made, but you know, it happens. And this is the calendar, the yearly calendars. I like the little scallops. I think it's like a good contrast of all this checkered over here. So it's like fun and like groovy, but at the same time very simple and I don't know, just cute. So it makes me excited. But this is the Perpetual planner. Is that what this is called? Gosh, I feel like I'm rusty on all my Happy Planner terminology. But here you have the currently page. I'm not very excited about all this color, but at the same time I am. I feel like it's kind of giving those Happy Planner old school vibes where you had a lot more color and it wasn't as simple as like the planners that we're seeing now. This is the July divider. So cute. I love the pastel colors. I like the little scallop here on the spine. I feel like although it's colored, it's very muted for if you decorate this with like, say, I don't know, orange. It wouldn't really take too much focus on that and it wouldn't clash as badly. So I really like it. It's cute. I'm excited. But this is why I'm excited about this planner, because of the lined vertical layout. And this is the lined vertical layout. And this is what I fell in love with the most. I actually found planner peace with this layout, and let me show you how I used to decorate. So let me grab a planner really quick. Hold on. So this is one of my old planners, and this is kind of what I would do. I would go into work at 8 o'clock. I think it was like 8:30 at that time, because I don't even know, was I in training? I don't even know. But this is what I would do. I would number out the times right over here. And it was perfect because I could customize it to my day. And I would put breakfast, lunch, and dinner on the top, which kept me accountable to like what I was actually eating and to actually eat, because I've talked about it in the past, but I do struggle with an ED. And if you need to ask me what that is, and maybe you don't know what it is, and that's okay. So I'm not going to go into detail about that, but I do struggle with an ED, and this was just something that kept me accountable and helped me with my recovery process. So yeah, this is kind of what it would look like. I would always draw a line here or put washi, and then at the bottom was just like random to-dos that I know I needed to do that day but didn't exactly have a home. A lot of my days when it comes to the hours did look the same, but it didn't really matter. It still helped me, just like knowing that I had something to like check off just like worked out for me, and I enjoyed it. And this was literally the planner that I was just obsessed with it. And when Happy Planner came out with like their layouts for 2023, and they didn't show a line vertical. I was truly, I can say, devastated. I tried to switch to something that wasn't, I didn't even fill it out this week, but yeah, it was just my go-to planner, and I was devastated when they didn't bring it back for 2023, but here it is. It starts a little later, but it's okay. And I'm really excited about this layout, because now we can get started and we can jump right into it. So yes. Anyways, that's kind of how I decorate it, but obviously you can use it however it is more like convenient to you and what makes sense for your life. Like some examples that I've seen is just like writing a bunch of to-dos and, you know, using the top for your schedule, or, you know, however it is that you want to use it. You could even use it as a journal. You know, you can kind of daily journal, and it doesn't have to be a whole lot, like an entire page. It can just be a little bit for that day, or gratitude, or however it is that you want to use it. And whatever you need in your life, you make your planners and your planners and journals work for you. So it is the same every single week. And then after that, we have another currently page, and this is here, August. I like it. And then I'm just going to show you all like the month and like the divider and the month section, because then these change. But that's kind of what they normally do. Oh, but then also if you see here, it goes from scallops to then checkered. So I'm assuming that also happened in July, because I didn't actually pay attention to that. So we have scallops here, and then we have checkered here. So cute. I'm so excited. So this is September, which I'm excited and happy that it's like a cute foiled like section and divider. I like how this is a little bit more neutral and easier to work with. But this is my birthday month, so I'm always happy to see a pretty divider and a pretty section for September. And then we have the very light scallop here, which matches this color right here. And then we have the checkered print, which this is like very subtle. You can barely even see it, but it's right there. And then we have October. So then it's just going to repeat itself to back to purple. And then we have the checkered print. So cute. And then we have November. Sometimes what I did a lot of in my previous planners is that I would customize the dividers with like, with other old dividers, or sometimes scrapbook paper, kind of depending how I felt that month. That's kind of what I would do. But I really like this entire aesthetic, and I may be keeping it this way, but we'll definitely see about that. But this is around the time where it's like, oh, it's Thanksgiving. Like I want to decorate for Thanksgiving. So maybe this is like a month and I could decorate this along like a Thanksgiving theme. And then we have December. So the same thing here. Like this is really cute, but then I could add an extra page or make like a little custom like insert to kind of show a little bit more like holiday spirit. But then the same thing happens. We're just repeating the same pattern and everything. Oh, this makes me so excited. And we have January, which is the perfect month to just add in your vision boards and your goals and everything. So cute. Oh, y'all have no idea how excited I am about this. Like, you don't even know. This is cute. So this is February. And then we have the checkered. March. Scallops, and then checkered. April. I love the daisies. I love the entire vibe and look about this. I feel like it's so, obviously the pastels just make me feel very, very calm. And it's not so like in your face, you know? It's cute. And then we have May, scallops, and then checkered. And then we have June. So it obviously goes from July to June because it is a 12-month. Y'all have no idea. I'm so excited about this. Like, I could literally cry. And I love this. Like I could see myself using this as a front page cover. And I love that they got rid of the sticky residue stuff, because now you don't have to deal with like unsticking it or anything like that. But yeah, this is going to be my planner for 2023. I will show you what I was using that I'm no longer going to be using. I would assume for now. Maybe I'll jump back into it, but we'll see about that. But I was usually using a passion planner, which I do love, and it actually has been working out pretty well for me. Like, this is kind of what I did, very similar to what I did in my happy planner before. Let me bring it back out. So very similar to this, but I would do it in my passion planner, and it was every half hour. So it had like 6, 6:30, 7, 7:30, which I wasn't really fond of. There was just like a lot of positives about it, and I enjoyed it a lot. But at the same time, I just miss the being able to customize it. I feel like once you go discs, like you're just gonna always miss it. I did have like rings at one point, which I do love, but sometimes I just want like a easy planner to carry. I don't want like all that fancy stuff. And yeah, like this was working out for me, obviously, you know, and it's been great, but I do miss my happy planner and being able to like customize it and make it my own. So this is going to be shelved for a little bit. It's not going away, but it will be shelved for now. So there will be, you know, some empty pages, but I'm really excited about this, and I'm excited to share it with you all. And I hope you enjoyed this. And if you have any questions, definitely let me know. But I'm excited to, you know, be sharing more happy planner content with you all, because boy, did I miss this layout. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye.